Hello, I'm Adolfo, a realtor in Portland, Oregon, and this is a video about the difference between a mortgage officer and a mortgage broker. To begin with, the reason why I'm making this video is because there are many words that are used that essentially mean the same thing or something very, very similar in a real estate transaction. Those words are bank, lender, mortgage officer, mortgage broker. What I have found to be the most important difference in all of these terms is the difference specifically between mortgage officer and mortgage broker. Mortgage officer usually refers to a person that works for only one bank. And in that bank, they have a set number of programs that are available for a borrower, or in other words, anyone who's trying to get a home loan. Umpqua is a great example because they currently have some really great programs for first-time home buyers. If you wanted access to those programs, you would have to go to a mortgage officer that works specifically for Umpqua. Just like if you wanted access to a program that is at Wells Fargo, you would have to go to a Wells Fargo mortgage officer. Now, a mortgage broker doesn't work for any specific bank, so they have access to many different programs. Now, since they work very often with certain programs, they're probably used to them, but these programs usually have less overlays. Overlays are regulations that banks put onto loans as far as who can borrow what. So the bottom line is that a mortgage officer works with just one bank. A mortgage broker will basically take all of the information regarding that transaction and send it out so that different banks can bid on lending the money to that borrower. There isn't really a good or bad regarding either one. There may be programs that are specific to certain banks that are great for you, or it might be better for you to go to a broker who has access to programs that are outside of banks and more in the secondary lending market. And that's my video on the difference between a mortgage officer and a mortgage broker.